Helpmewithstats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand the simplified pooled variance calculation. Recall that the variance of scores is equal to the sum of squares, SS, divided by the degrees of freedom, df. For group 1, the sum of squares will be equal to the variance of group 1, times the degrees of freedom for group 1. For group 2, the sum of squares will be equal to the variance of group 2, times the degrees of freedom for group 2. Let's recall the pooled variance equation in its original form. The pooled variance is the sum of the products of the variance and the degrees of freedom for both groups. Given that the product of the variance and the degrees of freedom is the sum of squares, we can substitute the sum of squares for both products, and we have our simplified formula. The pooled variance is the sum of both groups' sum of squares divided by the sum of the degrees of freedom. For more help with statistics, helpmewithstats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.